Okay, hello and welcome back to the Sovrenfx YouTube channel. Hope your trading is going well and you're having quite a festive season. Okay, so today I'm going to go over a topic that's been asked to me quite a number of times in the comment section and also in the free groups I host. So how do you make money in Forex without having not everyone has $10,000 and above to start with, because that's the amount you need to trade to live comfortably. Because if you have a $10 account, you can flip that account, but it's near impossible, or it will take you a longer time and it won't be able to sustain your lifestyle before you can get comfortable. So the easiest method, and it's been used quite a number of times by me and also members of my group, this is known as funding prop firms or funding challenges. I know you might heard of either one. So today I'm going to go over almost 5 funding prop firms that will help you earn more money from trading so that you can live the lifestyle using Forex. So starting with the first one and the best, the one I use the most, we have my Forex funds. They start with accounts with as low as $49 all the way to $1,389, that being 300k account, and the smallest a $5,000 account. Okay, this goes on and on and on throughout the 6 prop firms, but I'm here to give you the fundamentals and the basics of prop firms. So prop firms, because before you can trade a prop firm, before you can buy a challenge that will help you gain financial freedom, because that's the route I took. I didn't have enough money, so I opted to get funded and I was sure about my trading. So first step is to make sure you are efficient, you are a good trader, you follow all your rules, like you're comfortable as a trader, you don't second guess on your trades and all that. You have ticked out your risk management, your price setups, and everything else. What I'd like to maybe give you as a word of advice, start with a small account. Over the span of 3 months, if you have steady monthly growth, then and only then can you buy a pro farm challenge. Because people think that trading more money is going to make you a better trader. That isn't how it works. I also took that advice as I was beginning, and that's what has helped me get to the place where I'm at right now. So step 1 is to make sure your trading is good. Then step 2 is to buy a challenge. Buy a challenge with the money you can afford to lose, and not, you can't buy a challenge for $1,500 and when you lose that you can't have any other money maybe in your savings. So start with the $49 account, the $5,000 challenge. Then with the profits from the $5,000, buy the $10,000, then on and on till you get maximum funding. So as for the funded trader, the maximum funding you can get is up to $600,000. That's one. Second is top tier trader. It has quite a slow website, but you need you can check this for yourself, but the maximum you can get is $600,000 too. Then we have maybe the best, most renowned FTMO. Maximum is 400k. Then we have my Forex fund, maximum 600k, and also the True Forex fund. So in these 6 websites, you can have a total of $2.6 million in funds, of not personal funds but prop firm funds. Basically, you trade on their behalf and you get more than 80% of the profits you gain monthly, bi-weekly, or any time frame you might wanna withdraw. So me personally, I haven't gotten to $1 million in funding, but that's the goal. to get to $1 million in funding such that I can be more comfortable and live the Forex lifestyle. So if you're consistent with your accounts, if you've maxed out the accounts, then they'll double your accounts to $5.2 million after a year of consistency. Okay, so you can't just get funded then go all out. I know many people maybe get funded twice, then blow huge lots on one side so that they can make a big payout on one side and lose the other. In the long term, that isn't sustainable. So the best thing is to stay consistent such that after a year your funds are doubled, then you'll have around 5.2 million in funds, whereby if you make 10% per month, that amounts to around $520,000 approximately. I don't know about you, but $520,000 could go a long way in changing maybe a life, maybe your life. It's basically a fortune. And mind you, that's only 1 month. So that's the power of funded accounts. But before all that, before you get funded, before you start dreaming about the Rolls Royce and the Lamborghinis, Ferraris you might buy, you have to start with your Forex knowledge. Take a small account, $500 maybe, trade it for around 3 months. Make sure you're consistent, then take the profit you've earned from the $500 account to buy your first funding challenge, and as is my advice, buy the smallest at $49, which is only provided by my Forex funds. Okay, so that's basically it. And if you can't trade, don't force yourself to buy a huge challenge thinking that if you get more capital you'll be able to apply maybe the knowledge you have better. No, it doesn't work like that. If you can't maintain $100, you can't maintain $1 million. So that's it. And if you don't have the Forex knowledge, get yourself a mentor. Not me specifically, but I also offer, I don't offer mentorship as such, because I have a group where we discuss everything that goes on in the market, and we take each and every trade that I've taken. But make sure you get yourself a mentor. That's the step one, because you can't learn the Forex market on your own. You can't keep lying to yourself that you'll capture everything that you see in a YouTube video. Remember, you were in school, studied with a teacher, and sometimes, not every time, you didn't get 100% in the test and all of that. Now imagine if you did school on your own, how bad could it be? So make sure you get yourself a mentor and look at the bright side. You might fail, you might pass, because I lost around, when I was starting, I lost around 5 funding account challenges before I passed my first one. And that first one I only got 1 payout before I lost it. So it's a journey. But the sooner you begin, the earlier you get to the goal. You can make this maybe your 5-year goal, such that you'll have 5.2 million in funds in the next 5 years. It's step by step. Don't rush the process, and have yourself a nice trading day. Don't forget to leave a comment, make any inquiry, and subscribe. Join our free Telegram group for fundamental analysis and technicals. See you next time.